now is the time.
Intro. We're going to the park. Follow me.
All the tears I face, the doubts I hide. I never give in to my fears, people think as I heard my voice inside. I know I was born for this. I know I was born for this.
So all this park, this city
Belongs to you.
belongs to Justina.
The queen.
Yes.
I was born for this. I know I was born for this. I believe we can write a story. I believe we can be an army. We are the warriors who learn to love the pain.
Your name.
So your name is Rafael, like the angel, or like the Ninja Turtle?
My name is El Rafa, the god who is healing.
What is the difference between Rafael and Raffaello?
Raffaello is sweet, Raffaello is sour.
Let's just agree. There you go.
Different places, but have the same name. Cause we were born for this. We were born for this. We are the
Wind is
Knock,
working.
Tak,
Nobody's there.
to się ogłoszenia mówi.
Look, he has
Tak.
4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6,
5,
7.
6.
Yo, welcome to Camping with Alex and Sylvie. This is our camping spot. We're gonna have
I need to
campfire.
show them. Yep. Anything else?
Yeah. Set the fire that I can't contain, that I can't control.
Why are you burning my Sudoku?
Because it is finished.
What?
Yeah, you know what Jesus said. It is finished.
Yeah, this is our picnic.
Pigs and blankets.
Pigs and blankets set up. This is Justina. And this is nature. I found a lot of blackberries.
Surrounded, you make a way. There is nothing you cannot do. Oh, 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 wonder-working God. You're a wonder-working God. Only you deserve the highest praise. You're the wonder-working God. You are Rapha, the mighty healer. What's impossible for man is possible for you. By the power of your blood, you have made us whole. There is nothing you cannot do. Oh, oh, oh.
Raphael, the master of the fire.
Fire marshal.
Fire
Nie
master.
wiem teraz, kto jest pierwszy, czy Monia, czy Rafał, ale myślę, że wydaje, że Rafcia.
Jak?
Hello everybody, welcome to the tutorial how to cook sausages on fire. First you have to open the packaging.
Kiełbaski.
Proszę,
Proszę, proszę cię.
ale proszę cię, przestań się ale przestań, no. Nie,
You're a
Yo, yo, everybody, this is the sausage straight from the fire.
What do you do with it?
You put it in your mouth.
On
a
a roll?
Dasz mi nożyk?
This is like a proper tutorial.
In fire of the living God, made by Raphael. He made the fire cause he is a Boy Scout.